Okay. So we have a question that minus 4 into 7 is a complex number, and we have to find out the inverse of that complex number. To find the inverse of the complex number, we have different ways. Here we are going to use the formula to find out the complex inverse of complex number. First of all, let me write it into the complex number form, which is ax a which is equal to minus 4 plus b iota, means 7 iota, and this is the form this is the pure form of complex number. So we have converted into general form. Now here, if we compare it to the complex number, that is a plus b iota, this implies that a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 7. Now to find the inverse of a complex number, we have a general formula that inverse of any complex number is equal to a over a square plus b square and minus b over a square plus b square. Now to find the complex number, to find the inverse of this complex number, what we have to do, we have to use these values a and b here in this formula. Then we will get the inverse of this complex number. So by putting the values of a b in the above equation or above formula, then we will get the inverse, that is z inverse is equal to, here we have the value of a which is equal to minus 4 divided by a square, means minus 4 square, plus b square, means 7 square, and minus b, means minus 7, divided by a square, means minus 4 square, plus b square, means 7 square. Okay, now by simplifying, we will get minus 4 over 4 4 the 16 plus 7 7 the 49, and minus 7 over 4 4 the 16 plus 7 7 the 49, and this is the simplest form. But we can simplify it further by adding these two terms in the denominator. So to sum up them, I'm going to write on it here minus 4 divided by, and 965, and this will give you 4 5 and 165, and minus 7 over 65. So this is the inverse of this complex number, and it can also be written as let me write it here. Maybe it is not much clear, so let me write it here. Z inverse is equal to minus 4 over 65, okay, and minus 7 over 65. So this is the complex number. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to write down this complex number, inverse of this complex number, in standard form. Okay, in standard form means we have to write down inverse in the a plus b iota form. So for that, I'm going to write it, z inverse is equal to minus 4 by 65 and minus 7 by 65 iota. Okay, so this is the complex number inverse. So the inverse of this complex number is this, and it is a paired form, but the complex number here, it z have the complex number z inverse, and it's mentioned here and in the standard form. So the required answer for this complex number is here.